All right, guys, this is it. The M2 money supply has just hit a new all-time high. All right. What does this mean? This means that there's going to be a massive inflow of money coming in. A lot of stable coins, a lot of stable coins are going to be minted even further. Institutions are playing a completely different game, guys. While you guys are thinking that everything is going down, everything is going crazy, these people are accumulating and buying. You see all those dips in Bitcoin and all the other altcoins like Ethereum and Solana and all those dips are for the institutions. They're doing this themselves so that they can buy the stuff for cheap, so that eventually they would be able to sell it to you for way higher prices. Now, the thing is that you have to time your entry, okay, and you have to then figure out where to enter and where to exit. All right. Now, with a thing like Bitcoin, like I always say, there should be always a portfolio, a long-term portfolio that you should have. Whether it's in an altcoin that you really, really believe in, okay? Because there are some now which are generating real revenue, and you can find that in our premium Discord on Crypto Ronan's Discord. Or there are things that you are accumulating for the long term, like XRP, Ethereum, Solana, Sui. I think this time it's going to hit about maybe $8 or $12 even. It has that potential. Then we've got things like, of course, we've got Bitcoin. These guys are playing a completely different game. These guys are going to be making so much money. What they have made over the years in traditional real estate, they're going to try and make that within 2 years, 2 years in crypto. And it's going to be absolutely insane. Even Eric Trump just recently said, because of the M2 money supply hitting an all-time high, okay, Ethereum should at least be at $8,000. Okay, should be at $8,000, and it's not yet. Now we all know, like I've said time and time again, when Ethereum hits a new all-time highs, we're going to see the craziest altcoin rally that you've ever seen. Altcoins are going to go to monumental heights. They're going to go to a level which you've never experienced before. So you have to be positioned in the right projects, in the right narratives, okay? And you have to have an understanding. And you're like, and when you get into crypto, you'll be lost if you don't have the right guidance, the right, the right fundamentals. You need to worry. What your worry should be is, what am I investing in, and why am I investing in it? Okay, so have a long-term portfolio and also invest in things that are going to make you money right now. Because if you don't get in at the right time, you're going to miss out on the biggest opportunity ever. So I highly recommend that you join Crypto Ronans now. It is imperative. Trump is has already fired 25% of the IRS. Jerome Powell is insisted to cut interest rates. Things are about to go insane, guys. Do not miss this opportunity. I'm telling you, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for you guys. Or maybe another one, but this one is going to be so massive, okay? It's going to be so massive that you would regret not joining our premium Discord, because we have the best alpha. We don't get paid by a project. We don't get sponsored by a project. We talk about things that we believe in. Some things also fail, and that's part of the things. Part of the business is profit and loss, and that's just the reality of life. However, we still try to vet as much as possible before we talk about a project, okay? Now, it is imperative for you to join us. It is really, really important that you guys join us, because this is going to change your life financially, okay? And when the M2 money supply is at an all-time high, that means so much dollars are being printed. That means your dollars are losing their buying power, okay? And then deflationary assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, all these things which don't have an unlimited supply, they're going to go up in value. And when Ethereum goes to new all-time highs, it's going to make the altcoins start to go up. Now we have some really amazing altcoins which are so undervalued and are working and are doing and tech-wise and fundamentally they're even better than a lot of these, multi-billion-dollar top 10 altcoins, honestly. So it is imperative you join us. Join Crypto Ronans now to change your life.